trip down memory lane now, back to those carefree adolescent days of high school. But not back to the proms or those touching first dates, but rather back to those word problems we used to do in algebra class. I used to take my book home, read those things over and over, and just wonder what kind of lives the characters in those word problems really led.
Pam!
Oh, hi, Wes!
Oh, Pam, I saw you in the distance. I didn't think I'd ever catch up to you. Then when I realized you were walking in a straight line at 238 feet per minute, whereas I was walking at 338 feet per minute, and there were only 47 feet separating us, so I knew I could overtake you in just over half a minute. 30.6 seconds to be precise.
It's good to see you, Wes.
Oh, it's good to see you too, Pam. So, Pam, tell me, how's your, little brother?
He's just fine. He's still 14 years younger than I am. Next year, although he'll be a year older than he is now, I'll be 1 year less than 3 times his age.
Great. So he's 7 now.
Yes. Say, Wes, I don't know if you remember Tony, but Tony and I have been painting the apartment together. Since Tony could paint the place in 3 days, whereas it would take me 3.5 days to do it, well, working together, we'll be able to complete the job in a little over 1.5 days.
But don't you realize? Since I could paint your apartment myself in just 2.5 days, if you and I were working together, we could finish the job in 1.25 days.
Yes, Wes?
Now, look, I'm sorry, please, don't go. Don't I owe you some money?
Let's see. I lent you $10.25 last week in nickels and dimes. After getting back 4 more nickels than I gave you, but half as many dimes, you must still owe me $2.90.
Yeah. Look, Pam, I can pay you back, but it's going to have to be in quarters and dimes. It's all right, though. I can give you back 2 more than 2/3 as many quarters as dimes, so you'll have the exact change.
Thanks, Wes.
Pam, look, I don't know if this is even going to mean anything to you anymore, but Jesus! Today I found 3 consecutive odd integers whose sum is 81!
25!